Blake. Blake. That's your new thing, huh? What you want to do? What do you want to do? You want to walk over? Why don't you walk over on this side? Blake, Blake, come here. Come here. Come over here. Come on. You're tired. Like I like to walk and prance around in my crib. Like I know what I'm doing. Blake. Turn the page for more rhymes. Blake. Up! Go get it. You dropped it. You dropped it, Blake. You want to get it? Do you want to get it? Do you want to? Yeah, you. Do you want to get it? Oh, you want your book instead.